Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 62 of our challenge, YouTube Channel Analytics. In this challenge, you will learn to read your analytics to track your channel subscriptions, views, and watch hours. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your real estate business, go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. All right, so in order to improve and grow your channel and continue to generate desirable content, it's important to know what your audience is doing. Channel analytics will give you a great overview of what is performing well for you. Now, there's a whole bunch that we could dig into today. I'm just going to give you a brief overview so you know where to get started. As you can see here, I'm on my channel home screen. So to get into your analytics, the first thing you want to do is come over to YouTube Studio and click that blue button. And you can see over on the right-hand side here, we've got a little window or a tile here that says Channel Analytics. I want to go to the bottom of that and click the blue button that says Go to Channel Analytics. The first thing I want to point out is that in the top right, you can set your time frame that you want to look at. So we can look at just 1 week, a month, 90 days, a whole year, or the lifetime of your channel. Let's just go back 90 days. You can see that updated over here. And then in the center, you can see that we can see views, watch time, and subscribers. We also have an option here, a tile that's showing real time. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see here we have your top videos in this period. I clicked on something, there we go. And then just to the right of your top videos, you'll have your latest videos. So this one just went live this morning. And we're going to go over a little bit of what each of those things are. So in our channel overview, we can see that I'm on the last 90 days, I've had 2.7 thousand views. So 2,700 views in the last 3 months. I've had almost 193 watch hours. And I've added 170 subscribers. Now, this little graph down here will show you, you can see when you'll have peaks and valleys. You can see at the bottom what videos you've posted. So if it's just the play icon, that means you've posted one video that day. And if you hover over a number, it will show you, so there's 3 in this time frame. And you can see that this is actually 14th, 15th, and 16th were the days I posted. So I didn't post 3 in one day, but because we're looking at that 90-day view, they're kind of smushed together. So if I spread this out and I do the last month, you can see I don't have quite as many that are on showing multiples on the same square. So these are truly videos that were posted 2 in the same day here. And you can hover over the chart to see more specific numbers. So we're on the view tab here. So on this day, on August 17th, I had 79 views. If I want to click my watch time, I can see on this day, August 26th, I had 6.7 hours of views. We'll click on subscribers, and you can see on this day, September 2nd, I got 3 new subscribers. So if I have a big peak here, so this is my biggest one in the last month, I had 5 new subscribers on that day. I can scroll over to see what video I posted, and it was Instagram saved posts. So that seems like it was a pretty popular post. It got people to engage with my channel and subscribe. So that's great information for you to know. Then over on the real time, you can see that this is just the last 48 hours. So it has nothing to do with over here or your time frame that you've set up here. So this is specifically in the last 48 hours. These are the videos we've added and how many people have viewed them. My latest video, now this just went live, you can see just about an hour ago. So I haven't gotten any click-throughs yet, and I know this is a Saturday morning. Typically Saturday and Sunday mornings I don't get as many clicks right away, but this will pick up later in the day and during the week. Whereas you can see top videos in this period. So this isn't in chronological order. This is in order by which was most popular. So reminder, we're in our last 28 days here. So all of these videos had interactions in the last 28 days. It doesn't necessarily mean they were posted then. This is just what was top performing. So my top performing one was a Command Your Direct Mail campaign. So that was a class that I taught. You can see I had 102 views. On average, people watched it for 6 minutes, which is only 11% of the video. And for me, that's typical. This class was a long form class, so it was about an hour long. So that's why that duration is low. Then if you come down to, here's one that's a little higher here. This was only a 6-minute video. You can see that people watched on average more than half of that video. So this is how to create channel art with Canva. And we'll look at that a little bit more in our next video when we talk about video analytics. So I just wanted you guys to have a quick overview so you could see everything that's in here. You can see there's a lot more buttons you can go into here, and there's an advanced mode. So there's a lot of stuff you can play around with, but I wanted to get you here so you could see a quick overview of how your channel is performing. I want you to go ahead and tell me in the comments which analytic you're most interested in following at the moment. Are you looking at subscribers, views, or that watch time? What's most important to you and why? Then that'll conclude our challenge for today. So go ahead and join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time for our next challenge, and we'll be digging into specific video analytics. I'll see you then.